Have you ever planned a large party or get together and wanted to include something handmade and personal? Well, I'll be getting married this August and plan on making my own homemade corsages for the event. I did a bunch of research. We decided to use silk flowers for our wedding as opposed to real flowers. Just price wise, to us, it wasn't worth the budget. But um, I think they come out beautiful, and I'm here to show you how to make one. Um, First of all, you have to gather all of your supplies, so you'll need wire cutters, floral wire, floral tape, scissors, a flower, and some greenery. I just chose a simple leaf for the demonstration. Also, once you finish the product, you'll need to decide how you'd like to pin it onto the person. So you can either use one of these pins and glue it onto the back of the corsage, or you can get a boutonniere pin and pin it onto the person. Um, so you also need a candle to do this, which is a nice trick that I found while I was researching. So the first thing you want to do is prepare your materials. So, it's good to cut the wire ahead of time. You don't ever really need any more than a couple of inches. Um, so this is definitely long enough. And I lit my candle already, and I took the flower and my greenery off of my stem. This is originally how the flowers came, and I just removed the flowers from the top here, and that's what I'm working with. So to start, you want to heat the wire up. We're going to be pushing the wire through the back of this um, green plastic stem on the flower. So you want to heat the wire, and this is definitely a little dangerous, so you definitely want to be careful. Please do not burn yourself. And then you just stick it through like that. And then you can fold that wire down. Next, you want to place your greenery on the back wherever you want to place it. So some people like a lot of leaves, some people like a little bit. And you just place it wherever you would like, and pinch it there. On this one that I made, I used a little more greenery, and I used enough to cover the back as well as a little bit in the front to cover where I put the stem, when I wrapped the stem and put everything together. So that's also an option, but for demonstration, I'm just keeping it simple. And then you want to get your floral tape. Floral tape is something, in order to get it to stick to itself, is you need to stretch it a little bit. So, I like to stretch a little bit ahead of time. And then you just pinch everything together. And wrap it. I usually struggle with this a little bit, so excuse me for just a moment. Next, once you get it started, I will not need this extra piece down there, so that's where the scissors come in, and you can cut that off. It's less to fuss with, and then just keep wrapping with the floral tape down as far as you would like it. This is a smaller flower, so you don't need to keep it too long. That's long enough for me. And then again, get your scissors and cut it. And then you get your wire cutters back out and you cut the rest of the wire off of there. And that's it. I've been the bottom so you don't have that little sticky part, not sticky, but like wiring poking anybody, and it gives it just a little bit more of a finished look. And that's it. That's how you make a corsage. And the nice part is these corsages are gender neutral. So, you know, this would be nice for a man, just as a boutonniere. For example, like I said, I'm using these for my wedding. So, you know, I will be doing different assortments of flowers. This larger flower, and I put a pink ribbon on the bottom, so it's a little more feminine. Um, Whereas this is just simple. You know, I feel like a guy wouldn't mind wearing this. um, and that's it. And you know, you can use different flowers, and it's really simple and easy and fun. So that's all. All right. Thank you. I hope you like them.